Coming to you live with a breaking news report on the Transatlantic Gamer, and this is Lim's Repair Station. This was a game created for the Cyberpunk Game Jam, and it's sort of a cross between System Shock and Papers, Please, apparently. So what we do is, we take hands like this, and I've already unscrewed it. Let's turn on some music. So, we can remove pieces, and we put in other pieces, and that's pretty much that. So, let's try. No music, I changed my mind. I am a doctor. Could you please adjust my hand? Well, first of all, you appear to have the wrong color hand. I've heard that the game can get you on this, and will get you on that. So let's just get that hand ready. She's a doctor. Which means, where's the manual? There's the manual. Okay, so, we need... Wait, what's this? I see. So, for a doctor, we need Precision 6. So let's get rid of the resistor and give her the resistor high. Has that given you what you need? No? Perhaps you don't need one of these. Let's take off the CPU then. CPU. And screw that in, and there you go. Now let's just screw the hand back on. How's that? Looks legit. Excellent. A miner. Please adjust the hand. So, grip 5, precision 1. This means that we need... How do we get grip 5, precision 1? So we need low. A low resistor. Somewhat strange that lower resistors means higher grip. But, there we go. How's that? I forgot to screw the hand back on. Matthew, gonna fire you? Oh no. Yes, I forgot to screw the hand back on. Happy? Yes. I sell crap. Thank you, ma'am. What appears to be the problem? I don't actually know what you need. At all. Let's just make sure your barcode matches up. It does indeed. Can I take this off? Ah, it's a broken capacitor. Let me just fix that up for you right now. I'll take the capacitor, I'll put it in, I changed my mind about the music again. And then we put this on, and then this, and then finally we put back on the skin, and it should be good to go. No, it's not good to go apparently. Ah. I see. Her warranty was expired. Fingers are not in usual shape. He's also white, I believe. Let's just check. Yes, you have the wrong color skin, sir. I'm not sure why you have the wrong color skin, but there you have it. So, you need new fingers. This can be easily arranged. Get rid of that finger. Get rid of this finger. Get rid of this finger. Check his warranty real quick. Check this as well. Oh, that appears to be in line. Now let's just give him bone A. Screw in bone C and bone D. So that's bone C, and then we give him the bone D. That sounds significantly worse than I meant it to. There you go, sir. Have your hand. All good? Yes, all good. I sell crap. You have the wrong skin, sir. Why is this such an issue with white males coming in with Asian skin? Let's just check your barcode real quick. And your warranty is in date, so... Yeah, barcode's alright. What have you got broken? Ah, a broken resistor. Let's just give him a high one, I guess. Or a low one. Either way. Is everything in line, sir? Yes? Perhaps? Yes, looks legit. Quite good. This man actually supposed to have Asian skin. The hand of a criminal, but it served a good purpose again. I guess he doesn't need fingers? I'm not really sure about this one. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, the day's over. I serviced 5 hands, please accept to try again. Okay, we'll do better this time. Quick, the police is after me. I need this hand to look legal. Oh dear. Do you even have the right barcode? Yes. Very well. I'll just take off these. Wait a second. Your warranty's out of date. Exactly. He knows what's up. I got electroshocked. You have the wrong color skin, sir, I believe. Yes, you have the wrong color skin. What is it with people and coming in with the wrong skin? Okay. Wait a second. I'm not sure if that's something that will cause an issue. That appears to be fine. What appears to be the problem, sir? Is it this down here? Yes. Give him a new capacitor. And so we go. No, don't screw his hand on the wrong way. There you go, sir. Have a hand. And it was an issue. Unsupported seller. What did I say? Well, I've already fixed your hand, sir, so have it, I guess. I'm a good person now. Could you please disarm my hand, or I bust you up? You have the wrong color skin, sir. What is it with people and coming in with the wrong skin? I know I've said this before, but I'll say it again. Unintentional rhymes. Here, have a finger bone D. Just screw everything back in place. Take it. Yes, that's 3 wins. Tried to crush the wall. Sir, you have Asian skin. This is not how this works. I have to give him finger bones A through D. Unscrew everything. Off, 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 off. Finger A. B, C, and D. This is probably... Wait a second. No. The warranty is invalid. All that work for nothing. Another person who tried to crush the wall. Ma'am, I believe you have the wrong color skin. Like everybody else. Get out of here. White skin. Adjust the hand skin according to the photo, yes. Let's check the barcode real quick. Ah, wait, part X. No. How about no? Seller is off. Okay. Apparently retrieve is a thing. And this person also has the wrong skin. So dark skin. Here we go. Just drag that off. Drag that off. No. Finger A. And finger D. Put that on, and nope, and we go. That's an amount. Got electroshocked, huh? Limb Corp, yes, yes, yes. Is your warranty all in order, sir? Yes, yes it is. You do need a new resistor though. So I'll give you a medium one. Why not? Then screw that back on. Have it. I hope that was all that was wrong with you. It was. I sell crap. Yes, you have the wrong color skin. That's good. Here, have a glow resistor for that. You disrespect me, you get the glow resistor. Oh, no, wrong color skin. Almost got me. White skin. No, white skin. There we go. No, screw in. Go. Good job. That's how many? 1, 2, something. How about no? My working day's over. I've serviced 8 hands. Well, that's it for Lim's Repair Station for today. I've been the Transatlantic Gamer. You've all been fantastic viewers. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and good night.